I can't tell you how thankful I am to be a mom. And sometimes I see moms that aren't as grateful for their children, that they complain about, changing them, of course, but every single second with him is just beautiful. And I love being able to see the world so beautiful through his eyes, like, look, there's a bird, there's a train, I am so thankful for my son.
I am curious as to whether you frustrate me out of sincerity or to ensure you're never made queen.
You assume I actually care about being chosen queen.
I am serious.
Serious about what? About choosing a real queen? Is that why you subject us to these beauty treatments? To these classes?
You do not like our fine instructors.
They simply neglect to teach us things.
Such as
anything having to do with being a real queen. The thought well thought, the word well spoken, the deed well done, as it is said in the great books.
You read?
Many times.
Hey, are you okay, man?
That's everything I had. My chest hurts.
Don't die in here, man. Do you need some air?
Yeah. I can't breathe.
All right, let's get you out of here. You guys keep on playing. I'm gonna take him to his car.
Hey, Angel Wings, get that baby out of here. Maybe change his diaper, too.
Go home.